Good morning, guys. Magandang umaga po. Sa inyong lahat. Another day. Today is Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. It's April 28th. Guys, can I film you? Guys, oh, look kuya, oh. Nice outfit.
April 28th.
Good job. At least he knows how to dress up correctly, guys. Anyway, it's April 28 today. Good morning. Happy Monday. Dadalhin na po namin si kuya sa school. Kasi Monday, he goes to school. Minsan naman, hindi. Especially pag wala siyang masyadong mga missing work. So, and after that, I think pupunta ako sa store. Did you get the deodorant? Okay, good. So, you want that kind too? Okay. Pupunta ako sa store dahil bibili lang ako ng boxer ni... You have boxer. It's okay if it's good. Bibili ako ng boxer ni Gabriel kasi mabilis siya lumaki. Kaya, huh? More boxer? Can you go check what's your size though? I want to make sure I get extra size. No, you go check your You go check your boxer and pick up your laundry from the bathroom. Anyway, guys, pinupunasan ko lang saglit itong kasi may mga tira-tira. Yeah, so pupunta ako ng store pagkatapos namin i-drop off si kuya. Bibili ako ng boxer ni Gabriel kasi maliit na talaga yung boxer niya, guys. And after that, pupunta din kami ng bank kasi I had to deposit something. And that's gonna be our day today. Cassandra and Gabriel is already at school. Time check, it's 8:16 in the morning. So tara guys, let's go. The police. So guys, andito na po kami. I-drop off lang namin saglit si kuya. Yes, dito bawal mag-cellphone while driving. Big no. Tapos timing, merong police sa likod.
Today, Kent?
Yeah, look at that people. Right, you have a good day, Kuya. Love you. Keep up the good work at school, okay? You're doing good.
You're almost there.
So proud of you. Good job.
You only got like one more month left.
Oh, I know, right? Bye, Koy. I love you.
Got like 4 more weeks, Kent. Love you. Pull up your drawers.
He can't hear. I guess he has something in his ear.
They
Bye.
don't have a string that you tie?
Yes, he did. He had string.
I'm talking to him, not you.
He can't hear. Do you think so? Anyway, guys.
Look, see, he's pulling up his...
At least Kent is not short like me, you know. Anyway, guys, we're gonna go to the bank
We're going to Home
and
Depot.
the store. Well, it's okay. We can do
Where are
all
we
the
going?
errands right now if you want.
I might need the truck, though.
Okay.
I want to really get that garden situated while the weather's not too hot, not too cold, you know what I mean?
That's correct. Kasi
Well,
yung
we could go to Walmart and then I'll go home and then...
it's up to you. Since we're out and about. So tara guys, let's go.
You gotta go.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so galing na kami sa store kanina, but I had to come back again. Kasama ko nga pala si asawa. But kailangan kong bumalik guys kasi ano ba tawag nito? Mali kasi yung binili kong boxer ni Gabriel. Instead na boxer ang ibili ko, brief na tuloy ang nabili ko. So ngayon, dahil si kuya gusto magpa-pick up ng maaga, andito ngayon ako sa school, kakarating ko lang. Naantay ko lang siya na pumasok dito sa sasakyan. Kasi, si asawa busy, nagtatanim siya. And then, after dito is, didiretso na lang siguro kami sa Walmart guys at papalitan yung yung boxer since dala ko naman, no. Anyway, nandito na nga si kuya. Papasok na siya sa sasakyan. So, ito lang yung get up natin, guys. It's me! So, did you tell that you're here?
Ay!
Wala ka. Put it there. Tell dad that, text dad, mom's here.
Is that mine?
Don't know. Yeah, just leave it there in case. Dito na si Kent, guys. So, punta po kami ng store, no? Anyway.
You're gonna go to the store?
Yeah,
I'll
maybe
go with you.
a Walmart because I need to I already get your deodorant, right? So I need to replace the So let's go guys, let's go. Papalitan na natin yung guys, underwear ni Gabriel from brief into boxer. Ang difference kasi ng brief is yung brief ba parang panty, hindi sila sanay ganun. So palitan na boxer na parang short siya kasi yan na talaga ang gamit niya ever since. Finally, na-return na po namin. Maganda lang talaga dito, no? Walang problema. Less hassle. Kahit pa 30 days. Ay, 90 days. Since binili nyo siya. Kaya lang ang problema, as much as possible, wala namang problema, pero as much as possible, i-keep ninyo ang receipt, no, para madalian talaga yung return. Pero kahit walang receipt, within 90 days, nasa system pa kasi nila, no. So, yun, nakakuha ko ng refund agad-agad nang walang problema. Kasi kanina lang naman dito binili. Ayan, kuha tayo ng boxer ni Gabriel, yung tama na talaga ng boxer, guys. Right this Kent. The only problem is, how come the boxer don't have like a size? I got it, it's fine. Oh, this is it. This is it. It says boxer brief.
That's large, man.
No, that's 10 to 12. That's perfect for your brother. That's what I get last time.
Mom, give us 6.
So what did I get? I just want to make sure it's the right one. Oh, this is the one I get. This one, guys, mali po ito. So, I need the boxer one. This one. I need this one. So, ito talaga yung tama dahil ito po ay boxer. Oh, this one, huh? Is that the one that Clover ate? Are you sure?
Should we ask Dad?
Yeah, you should call him. We just want to make sure. I prefer him get up like this, guys, than the hoodie, the beanie or something. Watch out, kuya. So, tawagan niya muna daw si Jareo.
Dad. Which dog food do we get?
Tell him if
Is
this
it the like the
Roy with the green colors.
Roy with the greenish blue?
So, self-checkout lang, guys. Kay konti lang naman ang aming binili. There you go. The brief. Okay. This one. You don't need to take that off. There you go. Now check. Item not found. Yeah, scan again. Try. Okay, there. Oh, associate is on the way. Oh, sorry. I'm so far away. But that's okay. Park muna tayo. They put a quarter in there. Oh gosh. We made it home! Tingnan niyo yung buhok ko, guys. So, we did stop by sa bank as well kay ano ba tawag nito? Para ma-deposit ko na yung cash ko. At saka nag-boil po tayo ng egg. So, I haven't eat anything. It's already 11:29, guys. So, pag maluto na yung boiled egg ko, kakain na ako. Tingnan yung hair ko. I really need to make an appointment. Pero ngayon wala pa kasi akong extra hair. I make it without you.
Without me.
Yeah, I want to... Ang bilis lumaki ng mga tanim ni ano, guys. Ni asawa. Oh, what a nice weather. Thank you, Lord. Pero actually, medyo chilly pa po siya sa labas, no? Kaya I'm still wearing my favorite sweater. Pero, feeling ko talaga maganda na talaga yung weather. Kasi, hopefully nga, talagang hindi na siya lalamig. Kasi alam niyo na, crazy ang weather sa Amerika. Anyway, oh, wow! Ang bilis lumaki! Tingnan nyo, guys. OMG. Diba? Parang nung nakaraan lang ata to. Hindi pa to ganito kalaki ba? Ngayon, siguro hindi ko lang to nakita ng... Siguro mga 4 days hindi ko to nakita or ko lang alam. Nalimutan ko. So, this one is paste tomato. Ito naman is small fruited tomato. Iba-ibang klaseng tomato pala to, guys. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Nag-umpisa na kasi yan si asawa. Transfer na niya daw dyan. Ayan pa yung iba, guys, oh. Ano pa niya yan. Diba? Tapos, merong eggplant doon. Malaking eggplant yan, guys. Ayan, dyan banda. Eggplant yan siya. Yan. Wow. Galing, no? Ganda na talaga ng weather sa labas, guys. So beautiful. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga diba? It's not windy at all. So glad. I'm so glad. Di ko naman ipakita sa inyo doon sa gilid kasi nag-ayos doon si asawa ko sa gilid, guys. Doon sa labas sa gilid nitong extra room namin kasi doon niya itatanim lahat ng plants na ito. So, maybe soon I will show it to you. Ito kasi siya, isda to. Ito naman is isda din pala to. Ayan. Ito, magganito na lang ako, guys. Mga cubes tapos kay asawa. Chicken breast siguro sa kanya, no? Tingnan natin. Ito, guys. Ating lutuin. Tapos lagyan natin like cabbage. Yun na naman. Ating madali. Ay, meron pa pala siyang extra tingnan natin. Tacos ba? Yung meron pa siyang extra meat, guys. Niluto ko kahapon. Ito na muna natin to. Pinoy ako! So, si asawa pala, guys, for his dinner is tacos again. Yun lang maganda sa asawa ko, guys. Kasi, pihikan yan siya. Pero pagdating na naman sa mga fattening, mga junk, ganyan, ayaw niya. Pero pagdating sa luto ko, guys, okay lang po sa kanya, guys. Kaya hindi masarap. Kahit paulit-ulit na lang na luto, basta gusto niya. Approve. Hi guys, I just woke up. Natulog po tayo. Mga 1.5 oras. Sira na po na ito, oh. Chayote. Magulay tayo, guys. Ayan, oh. 2 chayote. Tapos, carrots. Yung cabbage natin, guys, kawawa na to. Pero meron pang bago doon. Gamitin na lang din natin yung And then, mag-slice na ng onion. And the green onion. Like that, fruits. Sweet, huh? Yun lang muna i-slice ko, guys. Carrots at saka chayote. Mamaya na yung ano kay. Yan ko pa pala yung ano. Kailangan ko pa tawag dito para maglabas yung mamantika ng baboy, guys. Luto na tayo. Here, guys. Pakuluan muna pala natin to. Kasi para lalabas po talaga yung kanyang oil ba, no? Bukas, super busy kami kasi dalawa talaga yung games ni Cassie na mag-cheer dance po sila. Guys, yun. Hanggang sa lumambot. Then, lagyan natin ng seasoning. Ginisa ko yun siya, guys. Hindi pala lapwa. So, kainin natin tong leftover na isda. Para makapasting ako. Kasi mag-alasing ko na eh. Sarap. Oh. Ito. Ayan. Lang. Ayan na po yung ating bites na mga pork. And that. Carrots and chayote. Tapos na. Actually, kumukulo pa. Ito na po siya, guys. Tada! Maraming gulay, mas healthy. Hindi ko alam anong ginawa ko. Kasi, dapat, hindi ko po siya lagyan ng toyo. Kasi para nga siyang chop suey ang labas, no? Ewan ko ba't ko nilagyan ng toyo? Normal talaga ako, guys, pa. Pero, yan na yan eh. Andyan na yan eh. Pwede naman yun, no? Carrots na may toyo. Sino yung batang dyan, guys? Meow, meow! Meow, meow! Meow, meow, meow! Meow, 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 meow! Meow, 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 meow! Cookie! Guys. Cookie, I sweat. Ganyan yan siya, guys. Papakyut siya, guys. Ayaw niya maligo.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Making asawa's dinner. Paulit-ulit, guys, na tacos, guys. Cheese. Very simple lang naman yan. Ito lang. Gihit ko lang yung ground beef kay malamig man. Then lettuce. Important yan. Important. So, kahit ganito lang palagi yung lutuin mo sa kanya, guys. Basta, wala lang siyang salt at saka healthy para sa kanya. Masaya na siya. Chicken breast. Kumakain siya niyan. Tapos, chicken wings. Ganon. Tada! Very yummy. Very simple.